So we're going to take a moment to slow down, coming out of the racing mind, and bring ourselves back home to the heart, which is where we always find safety. So the winter is an invitation to go inwards, to replenish, to fill up, and to nourish ourselves. So we're going to take a moment to allow our soul to be fed by the warmth of the hearth, allowing our heart to soften. And I want you just to take a moment to feel and sense into your heart right now. And no matter what you find there, trust it's okay. Sometimes there might be joy, love, harmony. Sometimes there might be grief, sadness, despair, trauma. And as we move into self-discovery, which is what winter invites us to do, we start to build compassion. Compassion for these beautiful energies that all come and go. So there's no judgment. We're in full acceptance of every emotion, every feeling. Allowing the waves of our emotions to come and go, to rise and fall. Remembering as we allow these energies the space to be felt, heard, and seen, we come back to our true, authentic being. So take a moment to feel and sense into today, whether you've encountered any challenging people, challenging circumstances, and just allow their energies to wash away, allowing a shower of healing energy to flood through your body, cleansing, purifying, rejuvenating, healing mind, body, and spirit. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Sinking into this meditation with each breath, feeling the waves of relaxation pouring through your energy. Releasing any pushing, any trying too hard, any forcing. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Bring the body into a relaxed state of calm balance, and stillness. Connecting to the water element of winter, flowing like water, and the beauty of frozen crystals. And knowing in any moment when you feel down, it's normal, it's okay. With every breath, you're clearing stress, transforming sadness back to joy, allowing yourself to come back home to truth, your natural being. Taking this time to connect to the energy of water. You might want to visualize a waterfall. You might visualize yourself under this waterfall. Feeling your bare feet on the earth. Allowing the power of this energy to flow without restriction through every cell, tissue, and muscle. Inviting the yin energy flow. And allowing yourself to rest near a beautiful, vast lake. And as you throw a pebble into this lake, you're watching the ripples this pebble creates. And noticing how these ripples reach out further and further and then subside, come back into stillness. Allow your mind to become this lake, your thoughts, the ripples, and you're simply watching, remaining peaceful, calm, balanced. You're not drawn into the lake. You don't become the ripples. You stand back peacefully and just watch, where you remain in your being. Sinking deeper into your beingness, feeling deeper waves of relaxation, energy pouring, coursing through your body, allowing the winter to bring you home to safety, comfort, warmth within your heart, allowing your heart to be the warmth of a log fire, where you can share your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions, without any shame of the darkness, the shadows, and trusting the flames to burn away anything that's no longer needed. Allow yourself to marinate this warmth, your inner fireplace. Preparing you for the birthing of spring. Nothing for you to do, just rest now. Let go, let go, let go. Bring the hands together, heart level. Bowing down as we give thanks to the winter earth mother and this beautiful sacred time to retreat and allow our healing. Namaste, peace. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.